Looking for the best mini PC for gaming? If so, this is the guide for you. We take a look at 10 of the most popular options on the market and examine their pros and cons to help you find the perfect choice. Watch as we run through all the specs and details, weigh the advantages and disadvantages, and in the end crown one mini PC as the clear winner. So what are you waiting for? Click play, sit back, relax, and let us do all the research for you.
Number 1. AMR5 Gaming Mini PC. AMR5 is a multifunctional RGB gaming PC. You can freely switch to 3 different modes: gaming, working and silent mode. Entertainment, games, work, study, audio and video, and light setting, etc. application scenarios can realize easily. RGB lights. Light up your game atmosphere. Performance mode. Full speed mode, full release. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600U processor with up to 28 WTDP. RX Vega 7 graphics. DDR4 2666 MHz RAM and M.2 NVMe SSD. Upgradable memory and storage. Intelligent cooling fan. Wi-Fi 6 EIG LAN port. Ensures minimal lag in the game. Performance mode. Silent Eco mode. Auto mode. Performance mode, which is prepared for heavy productivity and gaming. Leave the dial in the center and you get auto mode. Auto mode is suitable for daily work like office kit. Slide it to the left to enable silent mode for reduced fan noise. For daily use, the silent mode is enough for light entertainment like web browsing or watching movies. Number 2. BOSG AMEU 56 Mini PC. Stylish minimalist design size, 126, 112.8, 40mm. It is portable mini PC. This mini PC support 2.5 HDD, 500GB 2TB Intel 512GB NVMe 228 SSD. Kingston DDR 43200GB 2. It has an AMD Ryzen 5 5600U 12 threads Ryzen 3200 gram CPU. It is dust-proof mini PC and it has self-cleaning cooling system, which protects it from external dust and sand. It has a 3.5mm audio port, 3.2, 2 USB port and Type-C full function. Also have charger DC 19V3, 42A, Giga LAN 1000 meters, HDMI 2.0.2 and USB 2.0.2 port. The mini PC provides net service in such a way, which does not cause any interruption while playing games or watching pictures and working in the office. You can install this mini PC very easily. With this you can run 2 4K resolution monitors simultaneously. Number 2. MINISFORUMB 550 Mini PC. This mini PC is a SA mall desktop computer with an AMD Ryzen 7 5700G, 8C, 16T, up to 4.6 GHz processor. The faster performance can handle heavy computing tasks smoothly and better for multitasking. This MINISFORUMB 550 mini computer pre-installed DDR4 32GB RAM, 2x SODIMM slot. Each of slot can be upgraded to 32GB, plus 512GB 2280 SSD, up to 2 TB. The additional SSD slot also up to 2 TB. The B550 mini PC comes with integrated Radeon graphics frequency 2000 MHz, but it also support the discrete graphics card. Each B550 comes with one dock to support an external graphics card. The B550 mini PCU equipped with 2 HDMI ports and 1 DP port, all of them support 4K at 60Hz. You could connect 3 independent displays, which ensures smooth navigation, responsive work processes and comfortable handling of apps and files and expands multiple workspaces for more efficient and comfortable productivity. Number 3. Ryzen TR5-5600U Mini PC. Ryzen 5 5600U AMD processor, 6C, 12T up to 4.2 GHz, AMD Radeon graphics 7-core 1800 MHz, stable data transmission. Genuine Windows 11 is simple and efficient, Wi-Fi 6E, 3600 megabits per second, Bluetooth 5.2 is faster and more stable, and there. Mini PC with dual channels, the 16GB RAM can be expanded up to 32GB RAM of single slot and up to 64GB of dual slots. Installed 512GB M22280 NVMe 3.04x solid-state drive can be upgraded to 1TB and support 2TB HDD expansion via 1x2.5-inch SATA HDD slot, SATA 3.06.0 gigabits per second, up to 128GB storage via microSD card slot and more external hard drives via USB 3.1 ports. HDMI port X2, USB 3.0 port X3, Type-C data port 1, DC jack X1, RJ45 1000 meters port X1, audio jack, HP and mic, port X1. Multi-screen display, multi-program at the same time, showing ultra-clear visual effects. 4K pixels are 4 times that of 1080p, which can capture more and clearer details to meet your various needs. Mini computer was pre-installed Windows 11 Pro, which can turn your desk into a powerful workstation just by adding a keyboard, mouse. Number 3.
Beelink GK35 Mini PC. Beelink GK35 Mini PC Windows 10 Pro equips with Intel J4105 CPU. Up to 2.5 GHz. 4 cores 4 threads. Powerful hardware makes it run more stable. Creates smooth experience for your visual home entertainment, streaming video, web browsing, casual game, and work. Dual HDMI 1.4 support 4K and easily connecting 2 monitors, which can easily improve your work efficiency. Mini computers. Compact design, 4.5x4 by 1.69 inches, and silent fan design, efficient heat dissipation, quiet working. 9 interfaces meet daily office needs. 2x HDMI, 1x Gigabit Ethernet, 4x USB 3.0, 1x audio jack, HP and MIC, 1x DC jack. GK35 Mini PC supports Wake on LAN, PXE boot, RTC Wake, auto power on, get into BIOS interface settings. Quiet idle and 9 interfaces. Dual display and wireless connection. Portable and powerful. Stable running speed.